Right. Okay, everyone. This excess lace gets cut off on the fitting, so we'll cut that back. But look at this. Just one layer of adhesive. Now, I'm really proud of our product, and when people come in for a consi, I do this with my magic box systems. Right there. So it's focusing all right? Yep. And I show them this. Uncut systems put on the head, if they're not made very well, looks like there's some out of a stag night in Blackpool or an Elvish convention. There's some terrible, terrible systems online, but that's craftsmanship, and that's what we're known for from the factory I've been with for 30 years. And even though one layer, am I pulling your hair back? Am I pulling your head back?
Yeah.
Look. It's impressive, isn't it?
It just feels like it's my own hair. It's absolutely crazy.
Right, so with this style, uncut, go slightly back there. So hold it steady. You have got a steady hand, haven't you? This style and using adhesive, it is the most difficult attachment to have for the maintenance, because you've got literally do the front touch-ups probably every 3 or 4 days. If you've got the patience to do it, I didn't have the patience at all, then it's fantastic. If you haven't got the patience, then you shouldn't go for this style. But Ashley's going to go for this style because he's got an open top car, haven't he?
Yep.
And we're going to have some fun in that to prove it doesn't come off. But there we go. Look how good that looks.